Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're on the hunt for a shampoo that promises moisture without stripping your curls, you might want to hear about the DevaCurl No-Poo Original Zero Lather Cleanser. It's designed specifically for curly hair types, and today, we'll be putting it to the test to see if it really delivers on its claims. The DevaCurl No-Poo is a non-lathering cleanser aimed at providing hydration while protecting your curls' natural oils. It's a liquid formula that's free from harsh sulfates, making it a go-to for anyone looking to keep their curls healthy and moisturized. The product's signature fresh rose scent gives a gentle, pleasant fragrance to the hair without being overpowering. Now let's talk about what makes this product stand out. First off, it's formulated to hydrate all curl types. Whether you have loose waves or tighter coils, this cleanser is designed to offer rich moisture and help maintain your curls' natural texture. The lack of foam is a huge draw for people with curly hair, as most traditional shampoos can leave curls feeling dry or stripped of their natural oils. Instead, DevaCurl uses a creamy, moisturizing formula that works more like a conditioner, helping to lock in moisture as it cleans. When I first tried the DevaCurl No-Poo, I was intrigued by the no-lather aspect. I'll be honest, at first it felt a little strange not having that sudsy, bubbly feeling you typically associate with shampoo. But once I applied it to my damp hair, I quickly noticed how easily it spread through my curls. There was no harsh stripping sensation. My hair felt soft and nourished right away. The formula glides on smoothly and rinses clean, leaving a fresh, light rose fragrance behind. In terms of performance, I used it over the course of a week, trying it in different conditions. After a long workout, on a humid day, and even in between wash days to refresh my curls. Each time, it didn't disappoint. My curls felt hydrated, not weighed down, and they maintained their bounce without frizz. However, while the moisture was definitely there, I did notice that if you have particularly oily scalp issues, it may not be enough of a deep cleanse for you. For my scalp, which isn't excessively oily, the No-Poo was perfect. But if you tend to have buildup or need something a little more clarifying, you might need to follow up with something stronger from time to time. As for the pros, I'd say the biggest strength of DevaCurl No-Poo is its ability to hydrate without stripping. The fresh rose scent is subtle yet refreshing, and it's also incredibly gentle. There's no harsh tugging or drying of the scalp. It's suitable for all curl types, which is a major plus. On the downside, I'd say the lack of lather might be off-putting for some, especially if you've always used traditional shampoos with foam. Also, while it does hydrate, it doesn't deep clean the scalp, so it's best suited for those with well-moisturized curls or for maintaining your hair between more intense washes. When it comes to value for money, the DevaCurl No-Poo falls in the mid-range price category. While it's not cheap, I think the value is there for curly-haired folks who need a sulfate-free, moisturizing cleanser that doesn't compromise curl integrity. It's also free from harmful ingredients like parabens and silicones, which are a win in my book. If you're committed to your curls and you value quality hair care that's tailored to your needs, the price point is justifiable. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget, there are other sulfate-free shampoos that might give you similar results, but they might not be as targeted for curly hair types. For instance, products like Shea Moisture's Curl and Shine shampoo are often considered great alternatives for hydrating curly hair without breaking the bank. The packaging is simple and practical, nothing flashy, but the pump makes it easy to control the amount you use. It's a great touch, especially if you tend to overuse products. And for longevity, I found that a little goes a long way, so this bottle should last a while, even with regular use. As far as customer service goes, DevaCurl has a solid reputation in the industry. They're responsive to customer inquiries, and many users report positive experiences with their support team. Now, for the final verdict. If you're looking for a non-stripping, moisturizing cleanser for your curls, DevaCurl No-Poo is definitely worth considering. It hydrates, nourishes, and maintains the integrity of your natural curls without leaving them dry or frizzy. However, if you need a product that deeply cleanses or helps with oil control, you might want to pair it with another clarifying product or look into alternatives. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. And hey, if you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.